Hello, magandang gabi po, magandang araw po sa inyo mga Lodi, mga Idol. Ito po isang hiling na awitin ng isang mabuting guro, Madam Pilipinas. Ganun na rin po gusto kong ihandog ito sa kanyang co-teacher, si Nestor Caspe ng Anda, Pangasinan. How can I say to you I love somebody new? You were so good to me always. And when I see your eyes, I can't go on with life. It breaks your heart, but I just can't hide it. Oh no, I've been away too long. No, I just can't go on. I've been away too. I've been away too long. No, I can't be so strong. I've been away too long. Don't look that way to me. It hurts you so, I see. But I just can't go on with life. I give you all I have, so there is nothing left. I may be wrong, but I better go now. Oh no, I've been away too long. No, I just can't go on. I've been away too. I've been away too long. No, I just can't be strong. I've been away too. La 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 la. I've been away